In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. So basically, once you're on your Facebook, make sure that you're logged in into your account. So on this left panel, if we go and click on see more, scroll down, click on pages, and here basically we will be able to find a lot of pages. For me, as an example, those are my pages. So on the left panel, I'll find create a new profile or page. Just go and click on that. And here I'm just going to choose a personal or a public page. So click on next, get started. And here we are. Here we'll have to start filling up all the information about it, starting by the page name. So for me, I'm just going to add tester here. For the category, it is like, I don't know, tests and preparation center, whatever, and click on create page, and the page will be created. So the name probably are not allowed, so sure. Gamer, example, tester games or something like that. So click on create page. Yeah, that's good. So here we are, we created our page. It's totally up to you now to add the bio if you want to, add a lot of other informations, like you will be able, as you can see, to add a lot of things in here. So 1 out of 5 steps, and you will have to add a lot of information. So if you don't want to add anything, you can just go and click on next, skip, and you'll be able to go through all of that, and the page will be created without any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.